Okay, I'm not giving it. Looks like this pot is not going to be enough. I don't think this pot is enough, right? Okay. The chef, she said no. I wanted to change the pot, but she said no. I don't know why smoke follows you. Smoke is a living thing. Wherever you go, smoke follows. Who else noticed? If you cook with charcoal, comment down in the comment sections if smoke always follows you. I think the water is not enough. We're going to add more water. This pot is not enough. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, you are welcome. If you are a new subscriber, you are much welcome. So today I'll be preparing some village noodles. I'll be showing you step by step on how we prepare our noodles in the village. Guys, it's very simple. Like I always say, our cooking is not difficult at all. We cook very simple, especially when the meal it doesn't have blood. Okay, when it is not meat, it is a fast cooked. But if it is like meat, we cook it more than normal regular meal. So stay tuned as I take you step by step on how we prepare our noodles in a village style. I just loved everything about our village. Early in the morning, over there is the sun. Okay, the sun here is just too strong, like very strong. Like we have strong sun here. Sun is hot. So, and I just love waking up and just tying my wrapper around my neck. The villagers here, they tie wrapper a lot. If I could turn my camera over around the neighbors, you're going to see them tying wrapper. Even opposite there, you can see the young lady tying wrapper, right? Wrapper is like a quick wear in the village. You just wake up from your bed, you just tie it around your neck. I love it so much. So she's pressing the noodles in the water. I was thinking the pot is too small, but I don't think it's small. Cover, chip. I don't think it is small. Actually, too much breeze. It's windy. Okay. Hey, half water, bro. So this is the pepper. Guys, in goes the oil. This oil is mixed with red oil. That's why it's like that. Oh, vaya. Wow, very nice. like a pizza, right? This is the one that turns it. If it's Indomie, all the men knows how to cook Indomie. This boy, you see, all the men can cook only Indomie. If it's another meal now, he will never come here. He doesn't know that. So that's the second round. They will do this the same the way they do this one. Actually, it looks like pizza. Actually, like a round like pizza. You can slice it. In goes the oil again for the second round. Passing.
You can't.
So this is the second round, guys. And the oil was not enough, so he's adding up the oil. Yeah. So this is the last one, the remaining one. In goes the remaining one. That's it. That's it. So this is the last batch. Looks so yummy. Okay, guys. So let's have a bite. See them searching. Guys, it tastes so good. That's so good. Tastes like pizza. Very nice. Hope you try this at home and let me know how yours came out. Of course. cut the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching once again. See you in my next vlog. Bye. So nice.
Oh.